Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy apple cinnamon pie. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion and uses readily available ingredients. We'll start by gathering everything we need, including 6 medium apples, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 pre-made pie crusts. Let's get baking. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's prepare the star of our pie, the apple filling. First, carefully peel, core, and slice your 6 medium apples into thin, uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, in a large bowl, combine the sliced apples with the 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Gently toss everything together until the apple slices are beautifully and evenly coated. This step is crucial for flavor. With our delicious apple filling prepared, it's time to assemble our pie. Carefully unroll one of your pre-made pie crusts into a 9-inch pie plate, pressing it firmly against the bottom and sides. Then, pour the apple filling evenly into the crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Next, dot the top of the filling with your 2 tablespoons of butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, place the second pie crust over the filling, crimping the edges to seal it securely. Almost ready for the oven. The moment of truth is here. Let's bake this incredible apple cinnamon pie. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie at this temperature for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Remember to let your pie cool completely for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying. Patience is key for the perfect set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.